Ready?
I need to get my nails done.
2, 3. What's good? What's up? No, I'm not gonna be the only one saying it.
Why? Because you sound dumb.
Let's just get to the point.
2, 3.
Okay. What's good? What's up? Can I Bailey just get a little love? Anyway, hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to do a video on how to make
soda cake. Soda cake. Soda cake. Soda cake.
Soda cake. Hey, okay. So I'm gonna be doing Funfetti, my fave, with handy dandy Sprite. And she's gonna be doing,
and I'm going to be doing strawberry cake with Dr. Pepper. I'm sure yours is gonna taste disgusting.
I don't even have a
You got
recipe.
expired cake? I'm just kidding.
It's not funny. So we have to put the eggs and oil and stuff in it, or we just
pour this, put the soda in, and
make
mix
sure?
it. Yes, I watched the video.
Okay. All right, let's get to it. Okay.
Thumbnail.
So first, what we're gonna do is get a big bowl.
Mine's bigger.
And then get the cake of your choosing. Open it up. We need some scissors. Now y'all, I hope you saw her trying to struggle and open up.
You got Pillsbury?
Yes.
Why?
I said I was gonna go get scissors, and here you see her over here trying to rip the bag open like she's Hulk or something. No, I'm not. See.
Oh,
Stop. All right. Empty the contents into the bowl.
No, they don't need a description.
Like this.
Pour it in.
All right.
Mine smells good.
Ugh. And then
Open the can.
Take the can.
All you have to say is open the can.
And you open it like this.
And then you pour it in.
And then you pour it. Oh shoot, I just made a mess. Like this.
That's so cool.
OMG. OMG. Y'all. That kind of looks gross.
Smells good. Why is it just on you, huh?
Alright.
Now.
No!
What? Where are you?
Gotta be cute, you know. Alright, now mix it all together. Why is it so foamy?
I don't know.
Honestly, I've never even watched a video on this.
Oh, mine's coming together. How come yours still looks like that?
I don't know when it cut off, but here we are mixing.
Knock this all over into the ground. This dummy forgot to freaking preheat the oven. There I go. There I go. I think I'm... Am I done?
I don't know.
Are those strawberries?
Story time.
28 minutes.
Today, I went to Walmart to get these cakes, right? And when I was walking to my car, I heard a honk. So this car was waiting, and I think another car like cut off the other car, and the car was waiting. So I was curious as to why the car was waiting and didn't drive off and find another parking spot, because there were some open. And then when I'm getting in my car and about to pull off, I see this guy get out the car and walk up to the lady, because the lady got out the car and had a basket and was about to walk inside, and they started arguing, and the guy was like whatever, and then he was like, I don't care, and the lady turned around, got in her car, and drove off, and then they pulled into the parking spot. So they must have scared her and made her leave the whole parking lot, because she did not go in that store. Some people's nerves, man.
Mine takes...
It's ready. We'll be back when we put it in the pan.
So, hey guys. I have a story time. Ready to hear it? Story time. I'm good. Story time. Well. Oh, I have a story time. So I went to my friend Bella's game, and it was not championships, but I think they call it playoffs. It was playoffs, and it was what? Do you know what ecstatic means?
When everyone knows ecstatic means.
Do you know what scurry means?
What?
Scurry.
Like hurry?
Scurry.
Yeah, to scurry means to like hurry.
Dang it. I don't know.
Did we do exasperate?
Huh? I'm telling a story. And so she was playing volleyball. And they won their first game, so then it was their last game. So in order for them to win everything, like the rewards and everything, they had to win the last game and go to 25 points. So they were doing good against this team, whatever. So the team got up by a few points. So it was 24 to like 21. So all they had to do was get 4 more points, and they couldn't let the team score. And this girl serves, and it hits the net, and they win. They win. Just stupid, huh? It made me so mad. But whatever. A word of the day is... Alright guys, so you gotta get every drop. Alright, that's it. Alright. I didn't know that cake took that long to make. So, wait. The word of the day. The word of the day. The word of the day. The word of the day.
Alright.
Did I say permeate? Yeah.
No. Let's just go.
Permeate.
Permeate
Means to spread throughout.
Spread throughout. Oh, like this. I'm permeating this cake.
No. No.
Okay, guys. So the oven is preheated to 350. My cake,
the orange crust.
My cake needs to be cooked for like 34 minutes, and Elena's needs to be cooked for 28 to 33. So
Let's do
we're just gonna do it for 25 minutes for now. And
of course, because you have to be extra. Here I go.
alright. What are you doing? Come on, get the cake.
It doesn't go down further. Further.
Alright. Alright.
Story time. Wait, no. Tell another story.
Okay guys, so the cakes are in the oven and we will be back once they finish. And she's over here drinking the rest of the ingredients. Alright, bye. Alright guys, so the cakes are done. Yes, it is. You trying to make me burn it. Here are the cakes.
Exhibit.
Mine is the light one and hers is the dark one.
Okay, it's white and pink.
Alright. Oh man, I looked up and made it crooked.
I'll cut my own. Ooh.
She's trying to make hers look better than mine.
It doesn't. Because.
Okay guys, so our cake is done. And this is a little too dark. Our cake is done. And here we are about to stop it. I'm about to try it. I kind of licked my fingers.
She tried it.
I didn't really eat it. All right. Wait.
Antoinette,
Wait,
stop.
Okay, 1, 2, 3. It just tastes like normal cake.
Mm-hmm.
Let me taste yours. She had Dr. Pepper in hers.
It's nasty.
It's a little funny tasting.
It just tastes like normal.
Yeah.
Maybe we should use different cake, like root beer and strawberry. Or
I don't know, but mine is good. You can never go wrong with Sprite and Funfetti.
actually, you've never had it, so
Sprite the drink and Funfetti the cake.
why are you doing like that?
Anyway, guys, so to sum it up, we made Funfetti with strawberry. Oh my god, Funfetti with Sprite and strawberry with Dr. Pepper, and mine just tastes like normal Funfetti, and Elena's tastes like strawberry with like a hint of like something out of the ordinary. But anyway, yeah, so if you follow the steps, it's only 2 simple steps. You get the box. box of cakes, and then you pour the drink in there, stir it up, put it in the oven, wait for it. I cooked hers for like 25 minutes and I cooked mine for 30. And take it out, and voila, you have soda cake. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. I am still trying to get to 100 subscribers, and we'll be doing a giveaway soon once I reach that. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will be back with another video. Bye.
Y'all, I have my cake, and Elena's plate is empty.
There's cake under my hand. Her plate is empty. Like, I've never seen someone devour cake so fast. But anyway,
Why are you talking like that?
ready?
Okay. I've never seen.
Alright guys, for all this time. Bye. Alright guys, I lied before and said that was the end of my video, but really, I just wanted to come back on here because this lighting is great. So anyway, stay tuned for my next video. I am going to talk about how college is a scam.
Huh?
Yeah, so we're just sitting here watching YouTube. So Queen and Clarence, or the Ace family,
Hit us
if
up.
you like the Ace family or the Royal family, please give this a thumbs up, because
Oh la la canasta.
Are you still at the
did y'all hear that? She said, "Oh la la canasta."
not the hotel?